So this came in this little handy bag, but I was expecting it to be a lot smaller. Like my hands are pretty big, and this thing is massive. Um, my first issue with it is that whenever you pull this part out, so you can attach the attachments, these don't even set on there straight. So like they wobble. So it's not like a nice straight screwdriver or Phillips flathead or anything. It just it's very difficult to use. Um, and it's just heavy. It's heavy. It's bulky, and I just wasn't expecting it to be this big. Like, dang. So I'll be sending this back. Plus, I mean, all in all, this is I mean,
Este es el seguro. No se puede. No es aplanando, es hacia un lado, lo empujo y entonces